Hello, my name is Dama Musa. I am a participant in the Module for Teacher Administration training, and I just want to use this video to demonstrate the role of a teacher that has editing rights on a Moodle site, and I'll be using the Mount Orange School Module 2.5 demo to demonstrate this. First of all, you want to log in. You click on login. Let me log in as teacher with editing rights. Let me just use manager, because the teacher that has editing rights is almost similar to a manager. So the password is Moodle, so I will use manager to log in. Yeah, I'm there. This is the site. First of all, the teacher that has editing right has a lot of things that he will be able to do. First of all, let's just go through some of the things that he or she should be able to do. Let me see teacher. These are some of the roles here. Teacher, manage students. These are some of the roles. First of all, private learning resource. These are some of the roles that the teacher that has an editing right will be able to perform in a Moodle site. These are some of the roles. So many roles. So many of the roles. So many of the roles. Let's just pick them one after the other. Let's say you can make a folder or files available to students. But first of all, let us go to administration, site administration, users, accounts. These are some of the things that the teacher that has editing rights should be able to do, and I've already demonstrated most of these things in the manager demo. And let's say he should be able to create cohorts. Let me click on cohorts. Yeah, cohorts. First of all, we need to turn editing on, which I have not done that. Always remember to do that. Let me turn editing on. This is it at the top right. Click it. Yeah, editing is on. I can click on art. If I click on art, name, it will give me room for name, cohort ID. This cohort is if you want to add groups, students in groups, cohort ID, and all of that. I can put a description here if I want. Save changes or exit. Let me cancel this. Let me go back to site administration, accounts. Let me permissions. No courses. You should be able to add or edit courses. I've demonstrated that. You should be able to do backups, general backup. You should be able to import default automated backup, and all these are the things, some of the things that teacher that has editing right will be able to do on a Moodle site. I mean, grades, manage grades, general settings for grades, grade category. You should be able to do all these grade item settings. Let me open one of these to see. These are great item overall, decimal points, great display type, real, whatever, percentage letter, and all of those. The default is 2. Here you can choose the decimal places. Advanced grade item, you can choose all of these, any of these, and choose to save changes. Let's go back. That's under grades. Let's see grades. You can award letters. The teacher has the right to award letters. Let's see letters. Yeah, 100% A, letter A. That's to the grading. 92 is A minus, B plus, and so on and so forth. You should be able to also award badges, manage badge settings, add a new badge, and all of that. You should also be able to do reporting, send comments to students, backups, course overview, logs, performance. Let's check this performance overview. These are all that is in here under performance overview. Team designer mode disabled, and all of that you can edit to change. Any still on reports, this course overview. Let's see what is under course overview. Report type, most active course. You can change most active course, weighted, enrollment, and all of that. Is it the most active course, number of students that are enrolled in the course, that are participating in the course, that are active in the course, and all of that. There are so many things that the teacher that has editing rights will be able to do. He should also be able to enroll users, user accounts, and all of that. He or she should also be able to do assignments, add courses. You can give assignments and all of that. You should be able to back up courses, delete courses, and all of that. Let me go back to mathematics. Yeah, you can add a new course and edit a category, add a subcategory, and all of that. And add a new course here. Oops. And all of this is where you can add the new course full name, course short name, and all of that. I've already demonstrated this. Can drag and drop files, can set all these parameters, course format, can do files and uploads, can set all these parameters, appearance, guest access if you want to allow guest access, groups, and all of that. So many things that the teacher that has editing rights can do on a Moodle site. Let's go back. Let me go back still to courses. Let me go back to Chrome. Right. The teacher should also be able to see all users of the site. groups. You can create group, delete selected groups, auto create groups, and all of that. So, as well, site administration, these users. Should also be able to view courses and all of that. So many things that the teacher will be able to do. And as a teacher that has editing rights, some of these things I've just scanned through are the things that he or she should be able to perform in a Moodle site. Thank you.